In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms on ClickUp. Easy walkthrough. Forms are incredibly handy, whether you're managing projects, leading a team, or running a business. We'll sign in, create a form, tailor it to your needs, and make sure it's ready for your audience, all in just a few minutes. Start by logging in to your ClickUp account. Enter the email associated with your workspace and your secure password, then hit Log In. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace, the central hub for tasks, docs, and everything your team collaborates on. Think of it as your productivity home base. Next, find the space you want to work in. You'll see your spaces listed along the left-hand sidebar. When you've located the right spot, click the plus icon next to the item or list where you want your form to live. A creation menu will drop down. Hover down to the form option and then click Form to begin. You'll be presented with multiple form templates. Choose the one that best fits your goal. For this walkthrough, select Apply Order Form. It's great for capturing customer orders, and it's highly customizable, so you can adapt it to your exact process. From here, edit the questions to meet your business needs. Rename fields, add new ones, and adjust settings like required responses. Keep labels clear and short, and add brief instructions so respondents know exactly what to provide. Good wording and correct grammar go a long way in building trust and reducing back and forth. Open the settings for your form to fine-tune how submissions become work. Here, you can assign tasks to specific teammates and define ownership as soon as a response comes in. You can also make due dates part of the intake by selecting a due date field and ensuring any required fields are marked clearly. Before publishing, click Preview to see the form exactly as your customers will. Scan for typos. Check that required fields behave as expected and confirm the flow makes sense from start to finish. When everything looks right, click. Submit to finalize your changes. You may be prompted to select a due date and fill in any remaining required fields. And there you go. Your form is ready. Customers can now answer your questions, and each submission will create organized work for your team. Keep your forms updated and professional, and when the time comes to pause intake, you can unpublish a form to keep it from going live. That's how to create forms in ClickUp quickly and easily. For more tutorials like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.